Good morning. It's 6:30 in the morning now. I will buy pancit and pandesal. I will show you around outside. Okay? Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, okay. I am walking exercise. I love to walk every morning. Okay. I'm on my way to going to a store and I will buy pancit. Okay. Hmm. 12 minutes to walk over. Right. Oh, kitty, 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 kitty. Meow. I see the cat. All right. Let's turn. Hit my back.
Umaga ay Wednesday na yun.
Okay. Not too much people this morning. That's good because it's so hard to filming outside, especially to those many people because many robbery outside. Snatcher. So my cell phone is safe. I'm using now my cell phone to record the video now. Later I will go into that corner. I will buy pandesal. So here is the exit. I will going to buy pancit here. Okay. All right. Here is the gate. This is the exit at the back. Okay. Then right turn over there. Right turn. I will buy pancit. Okay. Alright. I will going to store there. This is the market, small market. Sometimes I'm buying food save. Oh, coconuts. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Ito yung bibilhin ko. Hello, ano? He's a guy selling a coconut there. Biling pansit. Pabiling pansit.
Ganito siya.
Kanto na lang. Okay, no more pansit. They are selling only canton, so I will try to find plastic over there if they have. Ay, kitty, 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 kitty. Magkano mo binibili doon? Plastic. Minsan hinahalo mo.
Gusto kasi dapat yun dahil maalat.
Ganun ba? Okay.
Thank you, then.
Okay. Alright, I'm finished to buy pancit here, and I will going to bakery. I will buy pancit. Alright. I should proceed. This is the market. Market. Okay. Yeah.
Ano kuya tayo ni? Tayo. Dito. Sa barangay yan.
Cross street now. All right. Ay. Oh, sunlight. It's bright. Sunlight. Oh. We'll go back this. We're going to buy pandesal. Bakery store. We will go in there. Okay. This place is Balibago, Angeles, Pampanga. So here is the corner. Right turn. Over here, right turn. Okay, we go in here. All right. On my way to the bakery. 4 minutes walk to get there. Sunlight. Okay. Woo. All right. Here is Michael's Bake Shop. Okay, we'll go in there. Pabiling pandesal.
Kano?
30 na naman.
20?
30. 30. ₱30 pandesal. Mainit na ang panahon. Halin. Ay, oo nga, gaganda ng Marela. Ay, finally. Thank you, Lord. Ay, sukli pa pala. Tindig eh. Alright. Woo! Got the pandesal. I'm going home now. Oh, yes. All right, let's go. Let's go. I will tour you again. Show you the place on the right. This is the subdivision in Balibago, Pampanga, Philippines. I should be careful because many snatcher cell phone here. Actually, I am using my cell phone to record this video. I have a sunlight now. So I did not bring my umbrella because I know this sunlight have a vitamin D. So it's nice to walk this morning. I think it's almost 7 a.m. or something. Oh, kitty kitty! So many street cat here. Oh, that dog trying to touch the head. Oh, kitty kitty kitty! Good morning. I'm home now. I'm preparing my breakfast. Okay. Pansit. Pandesal. Okay, that's it. Ano maning-ning? Let's eat, maning. Okay, let's eat. This is pansit. Yeah, pansit. This is pandesal. Let's eat.